Are you looking for the best keyboards? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best keyboards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Keychron V5 Max, V1 Max, V2 Max, etc. We recommend the Keychron V5 Max as our mid-range pick. It delivers many of the same features as the enthusiast-focused Keychron Q5 Max, but at a more affordable price. You don't get the aluminum frame from the premium Q Max lineup, yet the V5 Max's plastic case feels impressively solid. It uses a gasket mount design that gives you a softer, more cushioned typing feel. You also get durable PBT keycaps and multiple layers of sound-dampening foam inside the case to reduce ping and rattle as you type. The V5 Max is part of the broader V Max lineup, and we'd recommend any variant. They all share the same core build and features, with differences mainly in size and layout. You can easily tailor them to your needs. From internal components to firmware and software, nearly everything is customizable. That flexibility makes these keyboards a great, budget-friendly starting point if you want to experiment and swap parts over time. If you don't need wireless connectivity, check out the original Keychron V series instead. These wired-only models usually cost less and come in a wide range of sizes and layouts. At this price point, the Logitech Alto Keys K9 8mm is another strong contender. It doesn't match the same level of gaming performance or software customization, but it delivers an excellent typing experience. Its gasket mount creates a softer, springier feel, and it comes with shine-through legends by default, which makes it a solid choice if you often type at night. Number 2. AULA F99/F75. At a budget price point, we recommend the AULA F99. This wireless keyboard has a lot going for it, most notably its gasket-mounted design, which gives it a soft, almost cushioned typing feel. In fact, it may be too soft for some. If you prefer the firmer response of more traditional tray-mounted keyboards, this might not be the right fit. Despite its modest price, the F99 has impressive build quality, particularly apparent when you touch the keycaps, which are high-quality PBT. They contribute to a satisfying sound profile right out of the box. The board also includes a hot-swappable PCB, letting you easily experiment with different switches down the line. You also get adjustable typing angles and wireless connectivity via Bluetooth or the included 2.4 GHz receiver, with battery life in line with other wireless keyboards in this range. That said, the plastic chassis feels a bit cheap, and it's the one aspect where the lower price is more apparent. If you're not a fan of mechanical switches, the budget-friendly Logitech Signature Case 650 uses rubber dome switches that offer a quiet typing experience, making it ideal for office use, dorm rooms, or other shared workspaces. Its build quality isn't as high as the AULA F99, however, thanks to its solid plastic frame and rubber dome switches, it has no exposed moving parts, making it more resistant to liquid spills and less likely to get damaged by food crumbs. It also has great built-in ergonomic features, such as a palm rest with a soft touch finish. Each key has a rounded top edge for better key differentiation, while still maintaining a flat, wide top for better typing accuracy. Number 3. Keychron B33/B36. The Keychron B33/B36 stands out as the best cheap keyboard we've tested, and it's easy to see why. Its deep, comfortable scissor switches are remarkably quiet, and you've got plenty of connectivity options to choose from, the included 2.4 GHz receiver, Bluetooth with up to 3 devices, or wired. Wired mode also delivers very good latency, which is handy if you want to use it for occasional gaming. It comes in both 10 keyless and full-size layouts, so there's a version for just about everyone. If you're looking for something a bit smaller, check out the Logitech Pebble Keys 2K380S. This compact wireless keyboard punches well above its price point, making it a favorite among students and on-the-go professionals. Its size makes it easy to stow in backpacks and is great for tight working spaces. You can connect it with up to 3 devices at once, and 2 AAA batteries provide an advertised battery life of up to 36 months. That said, The keycap's unusual circular shape and slightly tighter key layout may take a bit of getting used to at first, but it's a highly versatile, portable option that's hard to beat for its price. It's also an outstanding choice if you want a keyboard for on-the-go use. Number 4. Lemokey P1 HE. The Lemokey P1 HE is the most versatile keyboard we tested and is our pick for the best keyboard for work and play. It offers an outstanding aluminum build and typing experience, with very satisfying keystrokes that are smooth and stable. It's very well dampened thanks to multiple layers of acoustic material inside the case that round out the sound profile, making it extremely quiet and unlikely to bother anyone around you. It also provides some useful versatility. You can use this keyboard wired, wireless through Bluetooth, or through the included 2.4 GHz adapter. The backlighting is also excellent, with per-key customization and very clear keycaps legends. When it's time for some gaming, the Lemokey P1 HE is no slouch. It delivers excellent latency performance that's totally adapted for competitive gaming. Since it's a Hall effect keyboard, it supports per-switch customization of actuation and reset points. This can allow you to set shorter actuation points for quicker reaction time when you're gaming, which can save some precious milliseconds. It also includes rapid trigger, which can be helpful for FPS games where strafing is an important part of the movement. This feature activates and deactivates keys instantly based on travel distance rather than fixed actuation points. This allows rapid repeated key presses mid-motion without needing to fully reset the key. These features help the keyboard feel very responsive for repeated key presses and quick direction changes. With that said, if the adjustable actuation features seem intimidating, you can ignore them or just pick one of the presets already programmed in the software. Number 5. Keychron Q5 Max, Q1 Max, Q2 Max, etc. If you're an enthusiast hunting for a new keyboard, we recommend the Keychron Q5 Max. This premium wireless mechanical keyboard isn't widely available from online retailers yet, but you can find it directly from Keychron's website. We've singled out the Q5 Max for its compact, 96%, form factor that includes all the most used keys of a full-size keyboard but takes up a bit less space on your desk. This keyboard is also part of a much wider Q Max lineup that includes other size variants, like the much smaller compact, 65%. Keychron Q2 Max or the full-size, 100%. Keychron Q6 Max. Regardless of which size you choose, each model in the series shares the same outstanding build quality, with solid aluminum cases and double gasket designs that lend a softer, almost springy typing feeling compared to many other pre-built mechanical keyboards. Another major selling point for these keyboards is their flexibility in terms of hardware customizability. They have a hot swappable PCB, so you can easily change out the stock switches, while other components like the stabilizers and keycaps are also easily replaceable. There's even an included toolkit, so you don't need special tools to start tinkering.